Hey there, Shinky here, making AI simple, useful, and powerful for you. So, Apple's WWDC 25 keynote came and went without a major AI splash. No ChatGPT rival, no Siri upgrade, just whispers of on device intelligence. While competitors are diving into multimodal models, Apple's quiet approach feels more like stagnation than secrecy. Is this strategic restraint, or is Cupertino falling behind in the AI race? Only time will tell. Now, let's talk about Apple's bold new move with their liquid glass redesign. This isn't just a UI update, it's a sensory experience. Imagine a design that moves with you, blending motion and spatial layering to create a more immersive experience. It's Apple's way of saying that emotion and elegance still matter in a world dominated by AI. Switching gears, if you're looking to spark creativity in kids, check out Artistly's Storybook Generator. Just type a prompt, choose an illustration style, and voila! A full story with images is ready to go. It's a fun way to engage young minds. And for those productivity buffs, here are 5 tools to boost your game. Super Translate for multilingual subtitles, Lol.ai for audio splitting, Quazzle for language practice, Neural.love for creating media, and Iris.ai for academic research. These tools are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. In other news, a new voice AI model is boosting sales with its natural tones, while a UK courtroom showdown between Getty Images and Stability AI could reshape AI training laws. Plus, Qualcomm's $2.4 billion buyout of AlphaWave is heating up the silicon race. Finally, Apple's quietly revolutionizing image AI with a new model that works efficiently on devices without monster GPUs. This tech generates high-quality visuals in seconds, all on device, enhancing privacy and speed. It's a strategic move to embed AI tools directly into Apple's ecosystem, changing the game once again. Thanks for tuning in. Until tomorrow, this is Shinky and the Hanuman AI team, keeping you in the loop.